So I had a fair bit of difficulty trying to work out, as I've videoed and put on here before, the meaning or the workings of these variable slug thingamajigs. This is one there that you can just see, and a second one is underneath that little silver pulley. The string is off, but I'm just pulling it with my finger there gently. So I couldn't find anywhere on the webs to explain where it was supposed to go to, because I presently have, well, the old one, which I have there, was broken, and it just traced up over this pulley, joined into that little brass eyelet, and then we have an adjustable little fair lead there that just runs out. There is a pulley, where are we? In here. It loops around that and then stops. I don't know where it goes. Anyway, I found a guy on YouTube who has a Grundig 5010 chassis. That's the name of his video. He has it out, running out of the case, and he just happens to give a view where he spins the bass control, and you can see over the top of the chassis in the background, you can see the tops of those two variable slugs moving. They have little, let's see if we can make one so you can see they have little, so those guys move when your tone control, your bass control is adjusted. So after watching that a few times and determining which way things move when you turn that bass control in which direction, I've determined fairly surely that this guy here will feed out through the pulley to the top of this tone knob. It'll wrap around that little point there, that guy possibly too, whether it loops on that or it may go underneath that little grub screw which holds the actual other string, which turns the tone indicator. So here we are trying to refit said dial cord or string to these little slugs. I've already done one there, but the second one has to go on there. So I found that you can, there's a little nut just in behind it. It's very hard to demonstrate on a video, but a little nut in behind it that can spin down out of the way to let you hook. Let's see if we can get any closer to that. That's that one there. Little nut in behind, and if I can, there's a tag that goes over the nut that you can hook the rope onto and then spin the nut up to tension it. So I've already made a world's tiniest little, what's that, up clove hitch or something. Might go boating after this. We can hook that on to that little tag, pardon my big fingers, and then spin the nut up behind to lock that in, tiny little brass nut, and then it's just a matter of, we've got to hook that guy through its little, oh man, there's a little, I don't know what you'd call it, hook there to keep the string on the pulley. So that's through there, this one's through here. It runs up over that second one, third pulley, and I'm just going to tuck it straight through. And there lies the fault in my theory. I should have fed it through that loop, but anyway, I'll just slip those off and do that. That will connect onto there, and then, well, I can determine whether I want to. I'll probably make a new piece of string while I'm here to run out and hook onto that little base control at the front. Hopefully it all works.